We have ChatGPT with its search GPT, as well as the ability of Perplexity and other tools as well. So we're going to see a lot of innovation in this space.
Yeah. How do you see this reshaping the way people look for information online? Because if you've been using ChatGPT or any of the other generative AI tools to generate answers for you up to this point, it's a lot easier than trying to search for something online. And the fact that tools like Perplexity and Gemini and now ChatGPT are able to provide resources that link to that information, this is really going to change the complete role of traditional search engines, isn't it?
Absolutely. Well, before we had team members who went to these tools like Google to do the searches for you. Now what you have is you have the tool and the AI built into it. So it's actually a package deal where you have the team effectively as part of the search itself. The structured answers with you alongside the resources or the links to the actual source of the information as well. Sometimes they are incorrect. I must add that as well, but that'll get better over time. Saying that, I feel the obligation to be precise now moves from the user who does the searches to the tool which provides you the information. So now when I enter, for example, the best Chinese food in London, earlier it was my job to find the best Chinese restaurant based on my criteria. But now ChatGPT and Perplexity's job as well to give me the right information. This is all summarized for me.